Assalamu alaikum. You are listening Radio Sada Hurriyat Jammu Kashmir. I am Abdul Salam with Kashmir Update. In Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, dozens of youth have been arrested while restrictions intensified in Srinagar and other areas in the name of security ahead of August 15th, the India's Independence Day. The arrests were made during house raids by the personnel of Indian Army, Police and Central Reserve Police Force across the valley. The troops have stepped up patrolling, vehicle checking and frisking. The troops stopped and searched vehicles while people were dislodged from buses and cars and were lined up and subjected to body searches. The troops also launched violent coordinated search operations in Kolgam and Sada districts today. The All-Party Hurriyat Conference spokesman, in a statement issued in Srinagar, strongly condemned the repressive measures aimed at forcing the Kashmiris to participate in the Indian Independence Day celebrations against their will. He denounced political victimization of Jamaat-e-Islami and members of other religious organizations. Democratic Freedom Party has said that India has no right to celebrate its Independence Day in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, as it is illegally holding the territory against the aspirations of the Kashmiri people. People have been urged through posters appearing in different areas of the territory to observe complete shutdown on India's Independence Day on Sunday. A report released by Kashmir Media Service on the occasion of International Youth Day today deplored that Indian troops were targeting Kashmiri youth and killing them in fake encounters to suppress their ongoing freedom struggle for right to self-determination. The report pointed out that Indian troops have intensified extrajudicial killings of Kashmiri youth since 5th August 2019. Srinagar-Gulmarg Road remained blocked for hours after residents in Magam, including women, came out of their houses and staged a protest against the authorities for failing in providing potable water. An Indian policeman was killed by a colleague after a heated exchange at district police lines in Kotwa. In another incident of hate against Muslims in India, a group of Hindutva extremists forcefully stormed into New Delhi's famous Dargah Madad Alisha and attempted to desecrate it. They asked the Dargah caretaker to leave the shrine within 10 days. In Muzaffarnagar district of Uttar Pradesh state, Hindu activists have warned shopkeepers and owners of beauty parlors and salons against employing Muslim men. A journalist, Alishan Jafri, put out a video on social media account showing that the extremists visited beauty parlors to check if any Muslim youth was employed there. A report released by Press Club of India in New Delhi on a sudden surge in COVID-19 cases found that more than 50% people hold the Modi government responsible for the devastating second wave of coronavirus in the country. And this is for now. Have a good night and keep listening Radio Sada Hurriyat Jammu Kashmir.